Yo, welcome to this video. How you guys can literally make $1,000 a day with Instagram and adult affiliate marketing. This is very, very powerful stuff I'm going to teach you. This is a free method you could do 100%, guys. I'm only 6 days into the month and I'm not necessarily doing this exact method I'm teaching, but this is a method I could do if I had more time, and I'm going to give it to you guys for free right here. $13,000 in 6 days doing like paid ads mainly for adult marketing, adult sites, all this stuff. Like, this works. This method's free though for anyone out there who wants to do this. So here we are on this random page I found. Pretty interesting page, right? Yeah. Well, the thing is, you guys can absolutely copy what they're doing here, and you could just post a bunch of sexy photos or just photos in general, these ones are pretty extreme, right? But the thing is, just do whatever, something relevant to adult, put together a whole page of random freaking stuff on the page and just add it up. This page right here has 1,500 posts, okay? And you can absolutely model after that too. And you're going to end up getting somewhere around this many followers, or a little bit less or a little bit more. Once again, just literally post a bunch of pictures, and that's how Instagram works. It all adds up. It all links back to your profile. And inside your profile, here's what you're going to do, guys. So you set up a super great freaking page, okay, on Instagram, doing whatever you want to do, probably photos kind of like this, just models in general, okay? And then you want to pick a really good offer. All these offers are freaking great. You want to do a link tree, okay? Or a landing page. You can do either one, and you link it right here inside of your Instagram bio link right here. And then you got all your pictures that are linked to your Instagram profile, basically, okay? Tons of images here. Then the other thing is, go to pages like this that are relevant to what you're doing. If you're doing something exactly like this, you just select a random photo, okay? Anything. This one it could do, I guess. And basically you go through, you're basically going to respond to all these people who commented, and then you're going to click on the likes, okay? And you can start following and unfollowing all these people who have basically raised their hand and said, I am interested in this content. And then they're going to go check out your page. A certain percentage will always click. And that's one way you can do this. You don't have to do that at all. You can literally just post, and that's your only way. But if you combine a bunch of ways to get attention, you can start growing. You can also find other pages and you contact them, and you basically offer them a very, very minimal amount of money, okay? Because they never get offers, I'm sure. And you basically pay them for a shout out, and you have offers that will pay you out $50 or so. So you pay them $50 and you break even. Look right here. This offer pays around 60. This one pays 50. Okay, so right off the bat, this one right here pays like $130. You can make easily $1,000 a day. Break down the numbers, guys. Okay, and go make that flipping money, baby. Peace.